nibyo Brainstorm Media filime ziba zamanutse ari nyinshi ku bufatanye iki n'iki rebe kantu ku kandi isi movie yacu action packed za filime zisaba gatuza kanicare fresh bereke hakuno rebe twangiranye wahakiro masayisho rebe fo machine gun icyo bita sasu wowe icyo bita sasu masayi igicuku yambaye na goggles umeka insigane sinzi n'iki byose go grenade bamutamo buratse wowe dodo turebe filime witonze masayisho masasa ari kuvuga n'iki byose dodo mutamo tamikitwa isasu rya ninjoro yakatsindwa do buratse mugabo barambarana masayi igicuku guhumeka insigane sinzi n'iki byose do turebe cyano u Rwanda ruherero ufi yacu bahise de cano bana za zindi za Irene yirwa pfana nuza za yagongo birwa batwaye wapi rebe masayi igicuku do tajya uratse wowe sasu jani mugoroba sasu jani mugoroba masayi mugoroba samwari umusirikare hano mu gikoridoro do fashe mu mbarutso mwana aba yarabitojwe ni nabafasha babizi kubibona do buratse wowe bityo bite sasu grenade bamutamo grenade gwe yarakangutse sore wari uri kurota sore wabirotaga masaya mu gitondo saa moya sambi ibaze kurota cyakora mugira ibyo murota ebe bwamuciriyeho rimwe yaje avuga ngo urota nabi bukagukeraho hakuno ebe sorry bayakantu kakadari mu gitondo kakangutse umubiri yarawushushanyije awugize nk'ikayi numvishe umwana ejo bundi waririmbye ngo doredo umubiri w'umukobwa mwanshingiye yawugize nk'ikayi hera tatuwaje gitondo ni umusore turiye mu rugo aba ameze neza ufite n'akana gato mugenzi haramutse akana gato icyo ufite reka ndebe what you got MC papa ako nanjye kanze ngire mbyara mundi bicaho byagaciye kama mbaye tekereza iki kana gato ubwaka nubwo nta n'umwaka urimo n'amezi nkangahe mwana kareba tatuwaje byase papa kuri bandi wa mwana nawe isi zakwigisha mwana bisa nkaho afite ikintu cy'igikovu mu gatuza muri kukibona ebe cyegaki bucece mu gace
Hello.
Good morning, Mimi.
Morning, Jamie. Oh, you hand over that baby to me right this minute.
tuntu mba ngiyemo kuri chat banyandikira banshyushya mu mutwe ebe hakuno mama yaratashye mu gitondo ebe
you hand over that baby to me right this minute.
mereza umwana wanje mereza umwana
Who's my heart?
ebe hakuno
That's it. Come to me.
ngwino rata ngwino come to me hakuno
Thank you for doing this, Mimi.
koze kunkorera ibi ngibi meme hakuno kana karabivanga kana gatwano reka nongere ngusezerera atashushu be uyu munsi ugiye kugumana na meme ubwo ni mama sibyo
Good.
uba agakobwa keza ni akana gatoya
You already staying tonight?
kuraranira ijoro harira ibiro
Oh, of course, darling.
nta kibazo shushu pe nta kintu cyanshimisha umwana arabyanga uyu mwana ni Gaheza sha nta mwana urimo papa agiye ku kazi aragaruka mu kanya
Thank you, man.
akoze mimi hakuno ebe mugabo yarasohotse mu gitondo cya kare sinababwiye ngo izi ni za filime zisaba agatuza utagafite ndaguta nkimanukira nipoye none byutse mu gitondo cya kare mwaribonye izina rya filime The Channel ni ibintu by'uruhererekane nyine tu hakuno umusore yarabyutse mu gitondo arapakira nk'undi wese uba ugiye ku gahigo natwe tubyuka dufata ibitiyo n'amapiki tujya mu kiyede tujya guhiga life kazi kamwe si Kigali kagutunga muzi utuzi nkora ubupfubuzi ubujura kubeshya gufera ibintu byose mu gitondo cya kare hari ikivani cyaje giparikaho yinjiramo umusore yicomeka mu kivani sinabashyireho sutitire none haka magambo acike mujye mureka kuvuga ngo nkwe hakuno ikindi cyabaye kandagira kumpe muri iyo vani to sore barimo bose bafite AK47 basore bazinze neza akantu ku kandi to bisa nk'aho ari abasore batagenzwa bambara na ga bafite ibintu by'ibi mask za face mask za pisto barabanza baripampa fresh babyita kwishamika bana barishamika nako sabana n'abagabo n'inkorokoro muri ya myaka 30-40 aho nari mbari rero ku munsi wa kabiri ndi muri sandbox nari ndi muri convoy ya 81 nari nicaye hejuru kuri Ghana City nicaye ku munwa w'imbunda ku mututu uzi ubushyuhe bwari buhari bunwika mu gatuza numvaga ari ikintu kigoye muri uwo muhanda cyane rwose cyari kigoye fuck yareze naribazaga ngo niki kiri buzaba dukomeza kuzenguruka twekatisa nibwo naje kubona umukaritasi w'umuhaji wari wicaye iruhande rw'umuhanda arimo ajya mu mujyi agenda ku ndogobe sha jinga bafite umutima mubi uretse gato indogobe mwana nawe ubaze kubona haji yicaye ku bitugu by'indogobe arimo agenda yihondagura ibyo bintu mwana wabigenjeje ute naramurashije nimanukira kigabo hakuno ako nigeze mbabwira ibintu twarakomeje mu muhanda tubona abandi nka batandatu nza kubona undi mukaritasi w'umuharibaba ariko ari kure cyane nawe umuginga muzi icyo yari ari kugendaho ni hamvi yari yavunitse hamvi se ni ikintu kiba kimeze nk'indogobe nacyo cyangwa byaje kugenda ibintu byari byabaye imbere nyine hari ikindi se nyine naramubwiye nashatse uburyo mubwira nyuma y'ibyo bimaze kuba subiye ku ifamu ikize reba hano none byaje kuzamba twisubira natwe kuri motopool nza kubona cya gisaza cy'igikaritasi kirimo kigenda ku kintu cy'igiti Gabriel anafite shato itari nziza afite ibintu by'ibigambo ari kuvuga wese wari wahageze mwari byo ntabwo ari ibintu birenze kizima nuko nari nahageze barambaza ngo ni igice kitari gukora neza namwe mureke mbabwire ukuntu ibintu ndi kubibona hano mumeze nka ya ndogobe yari iri iruhande rw'umuhanda uyu ni wa mujinga yagenderaga kuri wooden leg yagendera ku mbago hano umugabo sinzi hanyuma si uwo mwari kumwe yakubwiye ngo iki Marine
you can't expect a guy with a wooden leg
ngo ntabwo wakwitega umugabo ugendera ku mbago ngo yakwirukanka agafata iriya ndogobe n'ubwo igenda gake iko ryano rebe turahageze mwana bana bafite imbunda za mbunda z'urugamba ufite ikihe kibazo Putin we kimwita Putine sawa fuck you mwana
Let's rock and roll.
let's rock and roll mureke dutwika basa bana bashyiramo mask do bahita basohoka ku mbunda zabo do bana hakuno batuje
I know the transfer took a little bit longer than
ndabizi ko bishobora kuza gutinda kumbe hano hari bank
we wanted, but we appreciate your business.
ariko turabashimiye business mwemere gukorana natwe shiraho do mwese amaboko aho tuyabona bana binjira muri bank amaboko mwese aho tuyabona na bitwaye gace mwese mutuze do rekera ziba bana baje kwiba bank we
You heard the man.
uriya mugabo ibyo yavuze murabyumvishije
Let's start with you three ladies right there.
reka dutangire kuri bariya bagore batatu bari hariya
Hands lace on top of your head, back away from the counter.
amaboko mwese nyabone hejuru ya kontwari
Get against the fucking wall, everyone.
mugende mwegera ku rukuta inyuma
Out on the floor.
abandi mwese mbabone hasi everybody else on the floor
Floor, pal.
mwese hasi kuri floor ku butaka jya hasi wa bitch
Guys,
we
just relax.
tuza ariko
Alright?
sawa
Eyes down.
imitwe hasi
Eyes down.
eyes down amaso hasi
This ain't worth dying for.
ibi ntabwo ari ikintu mwapfira mwana this ain't worth dying for hakuno babandi nje bank mpereza urufunguzo hakuno manager
Fucking key.
mpereza urufunguzo manager wa mukingo shugunyira uriya hey bakaba manager bamukura iryinyo uretse hakuno manager hakuno fata urwembe shyaba bamuca agatoki
Shut the fuck up. You fucking thumb snap.
ziba se cyangwa ubutambuka tugikuma hakuno rebe akantu ku kandi mwana tugende nkeneye kode
17,
gatatu
77.
1777 zakuno rebe banki iratewe ku manywa ye amabanda abyuka afite gahunda yo guhiga kandi akora
Fucking eyes.
reba mu maso
If that's a panic code,
ibyo bikode umpaye niba ari ibyo gupanika
he's gonna cut off a lot more than you fucking know.
ndagukata ikirenze ibyo bikumwe byawe you understand me uranyumva hakuno
123,
basi 123 79 79 wenyine y'imbwe kura amenyo manager wora dukinisha nta n'isoni hey hakuno binjiramo ni ndani urebe koba kwinjira indani manager babo tamo kigabano kiri gukubita manager ndaje ngo uhamagare umusaba uretse gato hakuno hey hakuno binjira hakuno dore sefu yuzuye icyitwa idolari do the Benjamins amadolari note z'amajana gusa hari ipaki igikapu kimwe life ibihindutse ibi kariya gafungo kamwe uri kubona ari amanote y'idolari gusa kandi ijana ushobora gusanga kaba karimo nka miliyoni y'amanyarwanda cyangwa nk'ebyiri ari kibiri nawe ubyibaza ibyo bintu hakuno basirikare uburyo bari kwatakamo si abasivile ya mabanda ariyo anaroruganize cyacenamo bakira ibikapu neza cyane batuje dodododo batuje bipoweye bameze neza noneho kiratukire bataragira bana mwapakirira undi sohoka fata mu mbarutso binakora arabizi neza cyane aya mabanda sohoka abantu bose babashyize hasi baryamye hasi rebe kuriya byose bimeze neza mwana basohokera inyuma ya banki hey banatu mabanda 5 ufite imbunda igikoresho automatic weapons kumbe batarajya kure Kigali we do nonaha fire kumbe abapolisi bari imbere mwana capture the rear do masasu babandi na polisi bikorana kumanywa yangu
Wait for it.
uretse gato tukirese do contact left ibumoso icyo bita isasu mutamo polisi n'amabandi mu mujyi rwagati ku manywa y'ihangu mabandi vana bashyiramo polisi vanamo bashyiramo mabandi yo gusohoka uretse wa mushoferi wari ubatwaye icyo bita isasu batanamo mwana vana amabandi buryo agenda barorganize shaho yakubise polisi nanirwa no kubusha ngivantiri polisi batangira kubakuramo akazi. Let's go tugira tugende mwana twavuze ko turaza kurasa gusa ari uko bana mwana afite uburyo yishigishiza imbunda ku rutugu uyagisohoka bamutamu shoferi bana tu mabandi wagira ngo n'abasirikare we ibyo bari kugenda gusa umwe muri bo bamutaye hasi n'uwa kabiri wari utwaye nawe bamushyize hasi. Kibazo polisi bamuhaye kuri face mask nuko ari icyuma bari bamutonoye. Hano ni ahantu uvuga ngo mvuye kure tu bamasasu usubira inyuma mwana mupaka subira inyuma buratse wowe subira inyuma mwana dore bandido rimwe riracungira ndagahita subira inyuma bana baragenda muri tactique za gisirikare bagukubita umupolisi bamwima n'umwanya wo kwitekerezaho kirenga umufana bityo bita isasu wowe polisi zibyivangamo itaravayo yarayibona contact right iburyo bayitamo polisi itaravayo bayitamo bana bafite amasasu ahagije igikoresho bityo bita isasu polisi bayitamo. Hakuno rero iyo leta igufashe bagenda bongera imyaka kurwanya inzego kwangiza ibikorwa remezo kariya saka modoka ka traffic bangije mwese mukate bumoso tugende mwana dutatane moving turimo turagenda kandi ubwo wambera akagenda unagasigara inyuma amukavarinze polisi barayikomye showe polisi yitsimba SWAT special weapons and tactics aba bataka baza baje kurasa gusa na negotiation nanjye ndagiye move gira tugire bataragira undi mupolisi bamushyira hasi. Amabandari hano organize show abasa amabandari hano organize bityo bita isasu move genda mwana gira tugende uyacho uyakwiya nawe genda mwana tugucungire dindi bandi rita risubira inyuma bapolisi bari hano dore bandi uburyo rigenda ndagasigara acunze ariko vana amashyiramo mabandi avana amashyiramo bityo bita umututu w'imbunda vana amashyiramo bafite automatic weapons semi auto machine gun buretse wowe bityo bita isasu we negereza mwana none zawara ku kuntu dukora utuntu twacu twipowe leta subira inyuma burya amabandi ari kubashabuka move nawe kata mwana kiratugire amasasu polisi bayikubise yananiwe kubusha ng'ivenani niri batake feshi bana baje biteguye baje babizi kandi ni wabarenganya amabandi SWAT yijizizamwe no kwica ibandi rya mbere baritamo gasani bana mo pistol tararoding urajya kurodinga bagushize hasi fafana yakarodinze kabucuru bamasasu hakuno SWAT shawe polisi bamushyira hasi sikigarwe uyu bamuhaye ni rimwe mu babandi bari kubisa agatuza bakamennye bya bindi bajya bavuga ngo icyawe ni icyageze mu nda nikiri mu ngoti gipfunze kigikuramo igitwe cyawe hasi nawe hakuno bahita bamwikorera ni amabandane hasigaye ane binje muri park ari batanu n'uwari ubategerereje hanze shawe yavuyeyo shawe bahita bamutama agahanga barakamena amabandi ubwo hasigaye atatu abiri mazima nirindi kundi hakuno ni wana hari uri kurodinga wita ubundi twe tuzambara n'amabubu soke wa mukaritasi kitwa cyawe hasi akamodoka ke yiguriye ugereye ukuntu gituma ntazigura ubundi niki hakuno shyiramo indani fake tugenda hakuno bakiserera binjira akamodoka bacibikari basigaye ari batatu gusa imifungo bayikenyeriyeho hakuno nyagasani. Polisi zirakurikira. Polisi zirakurikira. Ebe. Polisi zirakurikira. Iburyo n'ibumoso. Subira inyuma mwana. Subira inyuma. Tugire bataragira. Hakuno. Polisi zirakurikira. Go. Windshield bayigira imyase. Polisi bayigira imyase. Katanu. Kata hakuno. Nyagasani. Abapolisi babatamu. Ebe. Bano bakaritasa abandi bapolisi imbere. Byari bibagonze baraberereka. Bandi bicaho. Mwana katirano ngwereke. Hakuno. Tabakatira hano. Etsire filime witonze. Kirano wibuke muri bo harimo umwe bamenya gatuza. Babona ikindi kimodoka cy'iki SUV cy'umutuku ku ruhande. Ubutumwa bwa polisi. Polisi bariho. Polisi taraba. Yari imbere bahitamo. Cyawe. Bica n'undi mu polisi bakomeje kubakora na amabanda bayaje ibikiyazanye. Nta mipyinato, nta mikino, nta kajagari. Byose babikora nk'ababizi. Yebe. Hakuno. Ewe. Bamutayemo. Siga amabanda ngahe? 3. Shira igitwe cyawe hasi ariko. Hakuno. Leta yijijije. Ebe. Dufite abofisiye bari hasi South Country. Twashakaga airmeds cyangwa se kajugujugu y'ubuvuzi. Aho turi ASAP as soon as possible. Situated. Unit zose. Dufite aba officer hafi 8 bose bari hasi. Tugeze kuri level ya code 3. Unit zose abacitse bacikiye mu modoka yo mu myaka ya za 90. Chevy station wagon. Turimo turababwira ngo ntiyagire umuntu wegereye mu bandi. Bafite intwaro kandi ziri automatic. Hakuno. Imihanda yose iva mu mujyi turasaba muyifunge tubakubite muri total lockdown. Babakubita lockdown. Gasani. Hakuno. Amabanda ateje akavuyo mu mujyi, imihanda yose isohoka mu mujyi bahise bayifunga. Ibiraro nka kumwe waba wumva ngumwe shaka guca mu Gatsata Nyabugogo bagahita bafunga bagafungira ku Ruyenzi bagafungira ku Mugendo hari ukinyamata bagafungira handi. Jaza Rwamagana aryo ubwo niye hari ikiraro. Ku Murindi ugahita ubana Kigali uyifite imihanda yose isohoka ibivuyemo. Mwana babimenye gutara umuntu wadusi nicinze. Inde?
You to wash this money, make sure our exit's not burned and get the fuck out.
Mwana icyo tugomba kumenya nimba dushaka gucikana ibiceri tumenye neza ko amafaranga dahi tujye kwiruka.
This is gonna make national news, Mick.
We ayagiye kuba makuru y'igihugu cyose. Inkuru itari vuba. Twisha abapolisi. Harandi bahitamo yarahari.
Don't move, you're under arrest now.
Hari umuntu wigeze wumva avuga ngo mwinyeganyega ngo turagufashe tugiye kugufunga. Wapi? Ntawe wumvishe.
They were there to fucking murder us.
Bajari baje kutwica. They were there to fucking murder us. Baje kutwica. Bigeze akubwira ngo manika amaboko cyangwa iki cyabaje barasa. Je ntabwo byicuza. Umwe mu bagabo.
Fucking 3 of our brothers.
Dusize 3 mu bavandimwe bacu mwana. Hariya ku mihanda. Kandi ntabwo bari kubyumva kimwe. Tezi gisasu mu kamodoka baje nibo bafasha amahitamo mwana. They made their choices. Nibo bafasha amahitamo bajya kuza muri ubu busambo bari babizi ko anabipfiramo. Gasani. Filime witonze. Kamodoka baragaturitsa bari baje bo basibanganye n'ibimenyetso na RIB nihagera. Sorry. Na FBI nihagera. Ntizagire n'ikintu cy'ikimenyetso ihakura. Hey! Gatinze. Ahabera icyaha kuri bank. Masaya ni mugoroba. Abamakote bahaje. Ubundi abamakote yo babijemo byose yabihindutse.
I've already given my statement to your payback.
Gentlemen.
Probably not.
Hakuno.
Peace.
So you're in charge of this shit show.
Yo uyoboye hano se no uri charge.
Ross.
Special agent Frank
Are you a special agent?
Wari uri special agent.
DC 10 minutes ago.
Nibwo nkiva mu ndege iturutse muri DC mu minota 10 ishize.
Dead officers.
Fite office batandatu ari abapo.
Your team's cowboy shit.
Kubera ikipe cyo cy'ubugoryi ngo bari baje kurasa. Umpe.
I understand, Lieutenant.
Ndabyumva Lieutenant.
I do.
Ndabyumva pe.
We're bad.
Zagenze nabi kandi turana.
Past that now, so
reka tubyirengagire.
catching these guys.
Dushaka uburyo dufata mu bano baginga ahubwo.
Catch 'em.
tubafata.
It's New Orleans special agent.
Aha ni muri New Orleans special agent we.
We're gonna bury these motherfuckers.
Ibi bigoryi tugomba kubishingura, nta bintu byo kubafata natwe tubabona tubice. Gasani uzi polisi suko ikora.
Don't go fucking shit on my crime scene.
Kora utuntu twawe wipowe ariko ntumvangire ngo ngire kuri crime scene aho ndi bukorera icyaha.
Homicide first, robbery second.
Mbanze wibuke ko icyabaye hano babanje kwica kwiba turabibara nyuma.
I understand you're upset.
Nabyo barakaye.
Emotional.
Ufite n'amarangamutima.
You have every reason to be.
Ndetse ufite impamvu yose yo kurakara pe.
But if you ever sling foul language at me again,
ariko niwongera kunkaragaho akarimi kawe gutyo undi munsi wamugenga,
it will be your last.
It will be your last. Azaba ari bwo bwanyu. Uranyumva? Numva ukuntu ubuvugisha fandi wa mujinga. Kuno mugomba no kubashyiramo akantu k'akamanyererega niba nakumenye.
Well, we had on lockdown.
Ubu noneho tugiye kujya muri lockdown yego. Cyane boss.
Got checkpoints everywhere, MS. Why?
Twashyizemo za barrier, load check everywhere, barrier zo mu muhanda ahantu hose.
All the ports, highways, bridges, roads.
Kumwaro, ku mazi, ku biraro, highways, imihanda irambuye.
Heading out the city.
Imihanda yose isohoka mu mujyi. No mu mazi marine.
Everything.
Byose nyakuba. Hakuno.
I want CRT teams in every
shaka ubona CRT team
standing by.
Ndetse na buri gereza iri hafi aho ngaho. Igasitasiyo ka polisi. Mundano byagenze gute?
I got a call from Buddy Advice.
Hari umuntu wamamagaye ku cyombo.
He hooked the guy yesterday on some sort of statutory shit. Some nobody, Edwin Smalls.
Ngo hari umuntu wabaye amakuru ejo bita Edwin Smalls.
Cyber security geek, looking at 5.
Ni cyber security geek abari nk'abahaka.
7 years in Angola.
Yakoze akazi mu myaka nk'irindwi ishize ari muri Angola.
They literally called us 10 minutes before the crew hit the place.
Baduhamagaye byibura mbere y'iminota 10 mbere yuko kari agatsiko katakano hano.
But I couldn't reach you, so
nagerageje kuguhamagara kuri telefone ntibyakunda. Nibwo rero nahamagaye abandi.
So tell me why we couldn't take them at the van.
Mbwira impamvu tutajyana iriya van rero.
Well, our black car was in motion. We were pushing up.
Hari izindi modoka zari zatuborotse twavanye mu.
Not heavy like before, 5 and a driver.
Bari batanu bane gutyo harimo n'umushoferi.
Body armor, ballistic man.
Bafite intwaro zihagije ballistics bipampye ko bambaye mask.
All automatic stuff.
Automatic stuff bafite za mbunda zigezwe zero automatic.
And then fender bender, right?
Fender bender buryo barwanagamo n'ibya gisirikare.
In front of us as we were.
Baturasa imbere yacu right in front of us. Uko twari kugerageza twe kwinjira.
Call off over there at the front door.
Umwe yari ku rugi hariya.
Came up on his sights.
Areba neza ayo mabandi umwe mu bapolisi bacu.
I beat him to the punch. It was on.
Ubwo namukubisa akantu ndamubwira ariko we atakarasa ariko.
We took out the driver of the van.
Niko yahise arasa uwo mupolisi wari uri muri uwo mu iryo bandi ryari riri muri van ry'umushoferi wabo.
Over there at the dumpster.
SWAT nayo yahise byivangamo nibwo yakoze.
You sure you hit him?
Oh, I hit me.
None wowe hari abo warashemo. Na murashe. Numvisha umugabo arimo avuga ngo ngo arampaye mwana.
And I tell you, there ain't no way he makes it through the night without some serious medical attention.
Kandi uburyo namurashemo nagira ijoro ari buri mara kiri muzima keretse nabo n'ubuvuzi bukomeye.
These guys are smart, they're way too ruthless.
Bano bagabo n'abahanga ibyo bakoraga barabizi kandi babikoranye umujinya.
Find out if there any doctors who've come up missing.
Mumenye neza nimba nta muganga uri buze kubura kuko bashobora gushimuta nk'umuganga ajya kubavura.
Vet offices.
Mureba abantu baba veterinary.
Plastic surgeons.
Ababazi plastic surgeons.
Anyone who can handle trauma.
Umuntu nyine wabafasha mu kibazo nk'iki. Sanya kubaho. Murebe nimba nta wabuze mu.
You thought these guys were ex-military?
Yes, uzi uburyo abantu bagabo barwanagamo nkaho bahoze mu gisirikare.
Yeah, well, you're right.
Uravuga ukuri mwana.
We had them pinned down.
Badukubitiye mu gafuka. We had them pinned down twari tubafite twabazengurutse.
Assholes go and do.
Ariko bari abajinga ibintu bakoze. Mwabatatu muri ambush.
Exactly.
Cyane rwose.
Wasn't until they realized they were boxed in that they started.
Nago bari banabibonye mpaka ije babibone ko twabazengurutse. Nibwo batanje gusubira inyuma.
Ranger peeled all the way down the fence and out.
Barashe basa nk'abegera kiriya gipangu the fence.
Ranger peel.
Barwana nka ba Ranger peel. Ba Rangers ni abasirikare bo mu gisirikare cya Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika. Rangers ni umutwe w'igisirikare cyo mu ngabo za Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika. Cyane nyo kuba.
Moving, covering.
Buryo bamuvinga gumwe acungira undi. At the high speed shit biruka babangutse.
I tell you, I haven't seen that live since Somalia.
Reka nkubwize ukuri sinigeze mbona ibintu nk'ibyo ngibyo kuva nava muri Somalia. Wapi? Abarakoze amamisiyo menshi no muri Somalia bikozayo.
They jacked some kid for a station wagon. Mark unit ran him down, but that just turned into an ambush at the switch car about 6 blocks over.
Bisa nkaho bagiye bagahita bakatari inyuma kuri block nk'esheshatu bagahita bahinduranya imodoka. Sawa?
Guys, are we looking for something big?
Mukomeze mucane ku maso rero turi gushaka ikintu kinini na afande.
Carry all of them, something with power. You talking a large SUV?
Ikintu gifite imbaraga.
3x3.
Turi kuvuga SUV nini.
Copy that.
Yeah.
Irimo abagabo nka 3 cyangwa 4 yego nyakubahwa. Bo ntibaranamenya ngo numubare w'abangaye do. Hey.
Now tell me about this van.
Ako mbwira iby'iyi van iriya ni iki kimodoka bi.
Stolen. 3
Yari yibwiriye modoka nayo.
days out of Chalmette.
Iminsi 3 ishize yibwe muri Chalmette. Hey. Vandi. Ako. Bamakoti yo bamanutse ziba zihinduye imirishyo ubundi. Niko yego nyakubahwa.
Who do we have over here?
Bariya dufite hariya ni bande.
Can't tell us.
Bariya ni abakora muri banki.
Managers and route
managers.
University Medical. Heard he put up a fight.
Barimo baherekeza kwa muganga.
Them up pretty good.
Rebe. Ako nafanda fa.
No sir.
Manager. Bamucena gato.
Just one moment.
Akanya gato cyane.
Detective, do you mind if I ask you witnesses a couple of questions?
Wareka nkabaza abatanga bamye utubazo duke. Koko.
I got a kid I was supposed to pick up hours ago.
Mfite umwana nagombaga kujya gutora mu masaha ashize. Kwa kundi ufite umwana ku ishuri none muranzana mu maperereza yanyu.
My name is Special Agent Frank Ross.
Banyita Special Agent Frank Ross.
Look, we just want to go home.
Turashaka kwitahira.
I understand.
Ndabyumva.
I do.
Ndabyumva.
Just need a moment of your time.
Ariko nanone nkeneye ko mu akanya tukavuga.
Do you remember anything?
Hari ikintu mwaba mwibuka?
Anything specific about the gunman who did this?
Ikintu kidasanzwe byibura kuri bari abajinga baba barasaga. Ku muntu warashe gutya hari amakuru mwabonye kidasanzwe. Babiri muri bo baraba yati.
I'm sorry, I don't know what a yat.
Bari ariko sinzi go yati ni Metro Locals na abantu baba batuye na.
That Brooklyn accent you think you've been hearing around town.
Yoni accent nyine bakoresha n'utuntu nyine kubuvuga ngo ni nk'umujamange tu naba pampa.
Oh yeah.
Babita bayati nyine.
All right.
Bisa nko baziranye kandi batuye muri aka
gace. Which ones were yats?
Abaye baraba yati.
The vampire and wolf.
Wari wambaye mask ya vampire no wari wambaye mask ya wolf.
Okay, thank you. That's very, very helpful.
Sam murakoze cyane.
Ma'am.
Mabuja.
What about you?
Wowe se.
Anything?
Hari ikintu wabonye?
Remember?
Hari ikintu wibuka? Nta kintu wibuka.
Ma'am.
Mabuja.
Guns.
Nabonye imbunda.
All I saw was guns.
Ibyo nabonye byari imbunda gusa mwana. Umve.
I just kept my head down.
Nubitse umutwe.
Didn't wanna make eye contact.
Sinashakaga no kubareba njyewe. Reka. Ubarebye saka kwica.
Smart.
Wakoze akantu k'ubwenge.
That was very smart.
Ako kantu kari ubwenge pe.
Okay, just breathe.
Humeka.
It's okay.
Bimeze sawa.
Okay.
Uraza kumera sawa umve. Hakuno.
Excuse me for one moment.
Nyangane aho gato. Hebe. Mugabo. Fande hakuno.
Where are you?
Papa uri.
I've been waiting forever.
Je maze ngutegereje. Papa ntabwo uri buze. Hari ubwo uri buze.
Work's always first, right?
Frank.
Basi ejo mu gitondo umenye ko ari ryo hambere.
Just got word.
Hakuno.
Fire on Chapatulas.
Urebe. Kumbi yo nawe yifitiye umwana bari kumuhagata. Umupapa mubyumva cyane mwese mwabyumva mutaraba papa. Kanze nge mbiyumvira ni boy. Genda nasha.
Thank you.
So imyaka 3 izashira ntarabinoza.
Hesitate to call detective here if you
nimuzigere mushishinganya kuduhamagara.
Remember anything at all.
Nimugira ikintu mwibuka sibyo? Nimuzashishinganya. Sibyo?
Thank you all again.
Kandi mwese mwakoze nanone.
Thanks Agent Ross.
Wakoze Agent Ross. Yego. Wakuno. Mugaro.
Their details, run them all through locals.
Bari abantu bose mubacemo mumenya makuru yabo.
You drive.
Turabikora we twara tuginde hakuno. Hey! Mukajikam ndani ya kijijini. Hiyo ni Swahili na izungumuza kabisa. 5 kwa 5 muzi Kiswahili nzi. Chinchi. Oh, let me enjoy. Hakuno. Fungura urujamu jingo. Fungura ariko byufungura. Chabe. Bakomanje binjira hakuno.
This ain't how it works.
Nagaruka ibintu bikora. Kura menyo. Buratse.
How's it work?
Wa kikarita sose gutya bikora.
How's it fucking work?
Bikora bitasamu jingo. Bikora
bitasamu. Didn't you? Open your eyes.
Wadusini ichinzi.
I want you to see this.
Ndashaka kukubona uvuga ngo mwana wapi.
No. He fucking knew.
Kikarita cyari kibizi.
He knew you're the only one that fucking knew.
Wewe nyine warubizi. Wapi mwana? Wapi mwana?
What?
Iki?
When it hit the news, I knew.
Mwana ubwo rero byacaga ku makuru nari mbizi ndagije ndahamagara.
NOPD picked him up yesterday.
NOPD baranyitabye ejo.
Fuck.
Kigali we.
Smalls didn't know nothing about it.
Hakuno do. rebe dukeneye indi nzira tuvana hano mwana
Smalls didn't know nothing about it.
ye nukuri nari nzi utuntu
What the fuck you know what he told them?
ntabwo tuzi ibyo azi n'ibyo yamubwiye
Wash that shit ASAP.
mwana dukeneye koza uwo muniga akandi kariko kose nyine tuvuga byihuse
Too much blood on it.
umusaya ayo mafaranga nayo yagiye amaraso menshi
Blue blood.
Oh, fuck that.
ibaze namwe ibara ry'ubururu n'amafaranga byawe blue blood
Tell him we'll give him another bump. Tell him we'll give him 10%.
cyenda mubwira ko turazi kumwandi mwana turamuha 10 ku ijana kuki
Okay, if you give him 100%.
simbi terega muno muha 100 ku ijana ngewe
Jamie. It's too much heat.
mwana mwatatse mwakabije
Cash in the bag.
mwana mu gikapu dufitemo amafaranga
Nobody's gonna fucking clean that for us.
nta muntu yadukorera isuku se ngo nuko yagiye amaraso yego
There's one guy I can think of that might be able to move that much.
umugabo umwe nzi wenyine wabibakorera
And it's Nazi.
bamwita Nazi.
And boys, the hit won't be light.
ariko we nago mwana nabifuriza kujya guhuza nawe
Because he's going to take 40, 50% minimum.
kubera ko arafata nka 40 cyangwa 50 ku ijana niyo make
That's what it is, right?
niko biri mwana niko biri
Make the fucking call.
si Kigali we ntari bimuhamagare mwana
Sir.
sa hakuno kiraho to
Fucking guns down. What?
mushyire ibyo bibunda byanyu hasi kibazo
we go, Pop.
Fuck you.
wa kigwari we to umukobwa avuye asimbukira ikigabo wa kigwari we mugende mukemura ibibazo byanyu petit frère
Time for this.
kumbe hakuno umenya ari umugore n'umugabo genda mwicuriye mu gihe ndamwica mwese ndabica
That psycho motherfucker just killed us.
kiriya kinyana kibwa cy'igisazi cyari kitwishe mwana
Fuck, what was I thinking, Jamie? We should have known better. We should
ubundi koko twere natekerezaga iki
have known
mwana
better.
ibi bintu twakaye tubizi neza
Jamie, John.
John
The surgery was paid for, Jamie. We had everything.
umwana wacu bari bamubaze byari byarangiye
He's gone now.
none ibintu byose biragiye kubera umujura wijanditse mu nyagasani umugore hakuno cyamurenze igihugu cyose kiri guhiga umugabo we hano isi kwikaragira igafunga feri ikanabandika mba mwana
We're gonna get through this, okay?
niturazi kubinyuramo okay
All right.
sawa mwana alright gute se
How?
gute
Get through this.
turabinyuramo gute nyi mwana ndi kubikora sibyo
You can't be here.
ariko ntabwo wakabaye uri hano nanone dufite umupango wege muhira ataha
Everything's normal.
wigire nk'ibintu byose bisanzwe
These guys.
ntabwo wakabaye uri kumwe muri aba bantu pe wapi
You need to listen to me.
ukeneye kunyumva
The FBI's on you.
FBI ikuri inyuma iri kuguhiga ibyo wigira byose ubu nabizi FBI ubwo nyine biba byahindutse ikibazo gikomeye
Yeah, they were at the bank for like hours.
bari bari kuri banke nko mu masaha ashize mwibuka uyu mugore nawe yari ari kuri banke mu babajije statement nawe yari ari
To everybody.
bavugishije abantu bose
Looking for guys from the neighborhood.
bari barimo bashaka abantu ngo batuye muri karitsiye kavukire ngo nizo z'ibyiriya
We'll
banke
find you, Jamie.
bagiye kukubona Jimmy
Listen,
kandi
what if we just left?
ubundi
If we
twakwigende
left right now and you came with
twigende nonaha
Right?
nawe tugende
Get
ceceka
the fuck out of here.
ceceka ariko
Come with
There's
me.
one thing that's important. You go home.
hari ikintu kimwe cyonyine cy'ingenzi kandi ni ukujya mu
Let
rugo
me work.
jya mu rugo ureke ibindi mbikore reka nkora
Trust me.
nyizera ariko abanya abandi bashira bazi kuribanda kanagushyigikira wumve hakuno niwo barashe mwana w'umuginga mumumvanire mu nzu batanamumfata funguruki funguruki
Fuck am I gonna take him, Bill?
mujyane he Bill tumujyane kwa Clarence
We ain't taking the fucking Clarence.
ntabwo twamujyana mwana
But the ER and hope for the best.
ariko urabizi ko warenze byibure yamudufasha mwana
Take my Clarence.
tumujyane kwa Clarence
What?
ndaza tujyane kuki
Oh, you're fucking going home. We just.
weta ujya mu rugo ariko madani tumaze kubiganira ibi bintu
Leaving you here with this fucking psychopath.
ntabwo nagusigana n'iki gikaritasi cy'igisazi
No,
Ava.
I'm not going home.
wapi ntabwo ntabwo kuki unyirukana ariko
You know what? That's a great idea.
rata icyo gitekerezo ni
Little
inyamibwa
pretty brunette from the channel. Here, you drive.
we fata utware abapolisi bagende birebera akaburunete burunete rero abantu mujya buriya za filime z'urukozasoni burunete
This is over with.
ntabwo ndi bugusiga shushu pe no.
Gus. And I will be back to murder you where you stay.
urara mu kutuvange ndagaruka nkwica uranyumva
We're clear.
ndabyumva databuja aho kuno n'umugabo bari bazaniye amafaranga yabo ngo ayabahanagurire yaguyemo amaraso
Assailants are believed
kumpe hakuno mu itangazamakuru nta kindi kirimo na bibye banke bagahita babura.
Junction with the FBI's elite robbery task force unit.
FBI na task force yayo ishinzwe guhagarika ubujura n'ibisambo. Had begun extensive manhunt bari guhiga abagabo. Bashyizemo za roadblocks cya barriere zo mu muhanda. Checkpoint basaka.
Actively shutting down all access points.
All access points have been shut down nyine tu niko byagenze bahafunze.
In and out of the city.
Imihanda yinjira mu mujyi n'isoka.
Or anyone you know.
Nabari wo cyangwa undi muntu uzi.
Any information on the whereabouts.
Ufite amakuru y'aba bantu baba bari cyabacikiye.
The New Orleans Police Department asked
New Orleans Police Department
to contact them immediately.
Turabasaba ngo muhitemo bahamagara igitaraganya mu bahamakuru.
But do not approach.
Ariko ntubyivangemo ntubegera abo bagabo.
The assailants are considered armed and extremely dangerous.
Kubera ko bafite intwaro kandi n'abagabo babi cyane.
Now let's go to George, who is
none reka twigire kuri George bahagaze imbere noneho y'ivuriro.
The officers wounded in
ariko yatubwiye ukuntu abofisiye bakomeretse. Yego.
The situation here at the hospital is extremely grim.
Yego.
Good reason. Today's tragic events mark the deadliest single incident.
Got some fool on the line that says you knows him.
Hari ikigori kimamagaye kuri telefone ngo urakiza.
Let me tell you, it's really the chin.
Kandi garashaka ko muganira.
Have gathered here at the hospital. All of them desperately
abatuje yipo.
What you want?
Shaka iki.
Arriving still unaware of whether
sinzi byamubwiye mu makuru Samsano. Yego ndikubira
some straight up mad motherfuckers right here.
Ibyo bigori cyo ndikureba hano. Yego.
Enlighten.
Choneshas. I'm right me. Choneshumus. Hakuno. Do. Hey. Kanu kukandi. Ebe.
It's a good location to dump a car.
Shahana hano heza ho guta imodoka.
90 only seconds away in the Irish Channel to get lost in right there.
Bahise baburira hariya ikimodoka cyo muri za 90 twashakaga bagitari. Ni iki gikurikiye rero?
What's this?
Tukoresha ubwonko ariko.
So what do we know?
Tukoresha ibyo tuzi.
One's hurting.
Barashi batatu umwe yakomeretse.
Probably local boys.
Babiri nabo wasanga ari abatuye muri aka gakaritsiye ari kavukire.
All ex-military.
Kandi bose bahoze mu gisirikare. Ntabwo bahoze mu gisirikare.
These guys are gunfighters.
Aba basore ni abantu barwanisha imbunda.
We looking for vets with trigger time in the sandbox.
Bimeze nkaho turi gushaka ba trigger times muri sandbox bararenze nyine.
I'll get Gene to reach out to DOD.
And I'll pull Jefferson in Orleans parish.
Good.
Nanjye natanze amakuru muri New Orleans kwa Jefferson. Hakuna.
So what exactly was the take?
We walked out with 3 mil, got away with 1.5.
Ubundi se batwaye miliyoni 3 tumaze kugaruza miliyoni 1 n'igice.
What was a bank in East Calton doing with that much cash?
Ubundi bank nkiriya yakoranaga icyo amafaranga nkariya ni nkuko wajya kumva ngo sako irimo miliyoni 500 cyangwa miliyari igitaraganya.
Just took over the temp headquarters branch because the CBD location was going through a remodel.
Kubera ko bari kuvugurura udushami twazo rero ari amafaranga yose yari kuri headquarter ya bank. Kandi uyu munsi ni kuwa kangahe? Wa kane.
So they were carrying heavy prepping for distribution to all.
Bari biteguye gufata amafaranga bakagenda bayakwirakwiza mu mashami yo hirya no hino yiriya banke uko wakumva wenda ngo tuvuge banke yes banke ikomeye ubu ni iyihe natwikira nimwe yanyishe wangu none amafaranga akaba ari kuri headquarter bapanga kujya kuyakwirakwiza hirya no hino nyine tu mu ma branch bikarangira batayajyanyo yari atarajayo amabanda itahataka itakubitira rimwe itanatwara n'ibiceri yikomereza.
How did they know all this?
Kundi ibintu byose abiziba uwo ubizute ko kazi kacerega boss.
You mentioned earlier an Edwin Small.
Karariko yigeze kuvuga umugabo bita Edwin Small.
That's right.
Cyane.
The rat.
Niyo waduhaye amakuru the rat ni imbeba nyine bakwita n'imbeba.
Smalls gave them intel and boards. What kind of boards?
Makuru yatanze amakuru ameze
and custom stuff designed to trigger the alarm system to shut it.
Yaratubwiye bazataka bafite intwaro
15 minutes before the coup took place.
Kandi yabitubwiye mbere yuko ubundi hari ahantu hatakwa byibura nk'iminota nka 15 mbere.
On that with the bank security firm.
Noneho njye nakurikije ikigo gitanga umutekano kuri iriya banke.
They told me that they found 2 odd custom boards installed in the master CPU and a polygraph in the entire.
Bari kunyandikira baritse ngikora kazi.
So if Smalls hadn't talked, they would have gotten away clean.
100%.
I want to speak to this nobody, this Mr. Edwin. So if Smalls hadn't talked, they would have gotten away clean.
100%.
bivuze ngo uriya mugabo watanze amakuru Smalls iyo adatanga amakuru bari kugenda birangiye neza bagacika n'amafaranga bakayajyana ijana ku ijana. Fanda arabyumva.
I want to speak to this nobody.
Nshaka kuvugana n'uwo mugabo ngo ni Mr. Nobody rero.
This Edwin Smalls.
Uwo ngo ni Edwin Smalls waduhaye amakuru nyine nshaka kuvugana nawe. Hakuno. Hey. Rebe. Hakuno. Bashan. Umugabo ngo bazi wabibafashamo.
Holy shit! Get the fuck out of here!
Who need you, brother? Ndomo kuvana umwana. Mwana ndabafite muze. Hakuno. Upampe wabo. Gorara ba drop. Shirano mwana. Ibye banke barimo barahigwa n'igihugu cyose. Cyane New Orleans bageze mu bapolisi bararasa barica. Here. Hakuno. Hey. Aiwe. Again. Sasa yardan. Sasa byamukubise hafi mu kwaha mwana.
His other right armpit, Clarence, where the fucking blood is.
Would you just chill out, man?
Ziba mwana ukareka kubona.
Rattle, I can't even think straight.
Ubaje sinekereza neza.
Just let me do my thing.
Why the thing ikore utuntu twanje. God please just let me do my things. Reka nikore utuntu twanje. Clarence. What in there? What in dusanya mu nzu? Fayo. Mama.
It's the pie guy. He's just
no muntu tuje muri pie.
Dropping off my pepperoni.
Hate
pepperoni.
Yeah, pepperoni
dosa. For you, it's for me.
Nagari zawe nizanje mama.
Morning.
No pie guy.
Mom. Relax.
Okay,
I'll be in a bit. Rub your feet.
Really?
I promise, Ma.
Ndagusezeranya mama.
Just watch your program and I'll be in there before it's over.
We bureba makuru ndaje. Ure icyo kiganiro ndaje mukanya. Hakuru. Va murashi. Mwe mu basirika mu mabandi.
What the fuck are you doing?
Mwana uri gukora ibiki?
I need my bag.
Hene gikapu cyane. Cyo gikapu.
Medical bag.
Gikapu mbikamo imiti ni umuyongo pale. Gikapu kinini cy'icyatsi. Hakuno. We. Si cyo mwana. Gikapu arakibona hakuno.
That's it. Toss it in.
Ni iki kincukunyirana.
Now everybody just give me my space.
Mwese mu makanya.
Let me do my thing.
Let me do my thing. Mureke nikorera utuntu twanje. Nipo. Yarabimenye. Hakuno. To. Hey.
It's Bill.
Bill mwana mwitabe.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Sawa.
Hey, what's up?
Zebit, what's up, mus?
What you got?
He's dead.
Tichi. Hey.
But it's a shit deal.
Mwana idiro mwampaye n'umwana.
Fuck, that's 70%.
Ngo barabaha 30%. Mwana baraba batwaye 70% ariko.
No. But it's one of those
mwana nuko ibintu bimeze nyine. Urayafata cyaho yareke niko situation ihagaze. Hakuno. Ko rero umwanzuro n'uwawe. You call. No ufata umwanzuro. Ebe. Sawa mwana. Ari kuva amaraso bimeze bite? Ntago ari sawa.
So how we gonna do this?
Turabikora gute rero? Hakuno. Wagiye kubahanagurira amafaranga barasaniye hakagwamo amaraso muri bank arababwiye ati kugira ngo nyabahinda batwara 70% mufate 30.
Bounced off his shoulder socket down to his stomach.
Mwana yavuye amaraso menshi ndakeka isasu ryinjira rikamanuka rikajya no
This distended, he's got a GI bleed.
Yaviriye midani. Ntaje mfite kintu ngiye bro.
I don't know what to tell you, bro.
None so rege nkubwira iki bro nanjye simbi.
I'm a corpsman man, not a surgeon. Without real trauma care, and even that, I don't know.
Mwana simbi. Ibyo nago biri bubereye. Ntago biba ntibikunda. Ebe. Hakuno.
Make it go easy for him.
Mwana utuma agenda neza umworohereza. Ntamubwiye ati mwice nyina kubita ibandari. Fatasi. Hakuno. Hey. Ebe. Kikiri kujya mbere.
It's all good.
Ibintu byose. Bameze sana koze utuntu twanje. Ubameze neza nubwo amaraso yahagaze kuva ariko aracyakira igihe cyo kuruhuka. Nta gihe dufite cyo kuruhuka. Uvure vuba uko bishoboka. Ujyane kwa Biri abariho bagumya bahaturiye. Minota 20 mwana. turamenye ikijya mbere uranyumva yego tugire tugende tugende nakuna
Thank you.
Koze mwana.
Yeah, man.
Yego mwana. Umwiteho. Show. Do. Nakuna. Ebe. Bamusize hano. Yatanze ibicera ati nubona bigukira bidakunda umutera urushinge apfe mu mahoro. Apfe yipuye. Ebe. Aje hano. Bifungwa ariyo bafite. Ibintu tumara kubirangiza mwana. Nawe ndakugeza kwa St. Charles. Uhita ufata imodoka igucyura mu rugo ndakugeza mu Gatsata uhita ufata imodoka igucyura. Wowe uzataryari. Sha sinzi tu. Sinzi.
So this is it.
Bivuze ngo nuko bimeze. Oya ntago ariko bimeze. Napfa ndakwereza kwa John. Ihura buki. Hakuno. Ebe. Jimmy. Umugore we. Yamaze kumenya ko umugabo ari ibandana muri hafi. Nta hantu uri buze kutwohereza rega. Nungo nuramuka uvuye muri ibi bintu mwana uri kwifuza ibintu bikomeye. That's big if. Nyine biragoranye pe. Uzamara ubuzima bwawe wirukanka mwana. Mfite umupango ariko. Mfite umupango. Umupango we. Bolivia. Umupango wo kujya muri Bolivia. Kangusobanura ariko. Bolivia.
Jimmy. I don't even know what the fuck it is, Jamie.
Sinzi ni byari byo Jimmy. Ni muri South America.
And there's this big lake down there.
Hari ikiyaga kinini gihari mwana. Kinini pe.
Right on the Peruvian line.
Kuri Peruvian line.
Right down the border surrounded
hafi ku mupaka.
These mountains.
Hazengurutswe n'imisozi ya Andes.
And in the middle of this big lake.
Hanyuma muri icyo kiyaga rwagati.
There's this little island.
Harimo ikirwa.
Called the Isle de Sol.
Ikirwa bita Isle de Sol.
There's no cars, no.
Nta modoka zihagera nta mihanda ihagera.
Just fishermen and farmers.
Hibera abarobyi n'abahinzi gusa mwana. Niho muzansanga.
You, me and John can start.
Je nawe na John. Tugende dutangire ubuzima hariya mwana. John ni kakana ke. Gatoya kamwe twumvishe ngo babaze. Twembi batatu turi kumwe. Yo. Gore buriya kubafera birakunda. Jimmy. Jimmy.
I love you.
Ndagukunda shushu pe. Ndagukunda.
Go anywhere with you.
John ose twajana. Savimbi niwe njya numva abwira umukobwa ngo sinahumeka ntagufite. Savi, are you sure? Kumbi bakiri hano. Uriya muraza kumusiga inyuma se. Hakuno. To. Aba ngaba twamaze kumenya ko ari n'abavandimwe. Ebe.
Sap.
Ese bitumusa sap. Ebe. Sap. Hakuno. Kigali we.
Come on.
Tugende mwana dutora ibiceri byacu tunaco tunicomokere. Giye kubazana ama passport n'amafaranga byose n'ibiki byose. Ebe. Vuyeyo. Filime witonze.
You bro?
Niwe bro.
Fuck are you?
Uri cyande.
I'm nobody.
Ntawe ndiwe.
Funny, I was just thinking that.
Nawe niko natekera. Reka ibi tubikore mwana.
Check this shit out.
Reba ibi ngibi. Suzuma. Reba hakuno. Kapu birimo imifungo barabereka neza cyane 5 kuri 5. Hey.
Good brother? Yeah.
Samu fan. Yego.
Homie,
you're good. Ariko musa.
You're a little light, don't you think? How you figure? That's 500K.
Maybe.
There it is. That's how you figure? That's 500K.
Ibihumbi 500.
I'm sure it is.
Ndabizi nyine.
That's 30%.
Iyo ni 30% cyane.
That's what we agreed to.
Nibyo twemeranyijwe nabo. Kuki?
What the fuck did you say?
Uvuze ngo iki wabemera 70%. Cyane. Nta yandi mahitamo twe dufite. Kuki utambaje mbere? Twese dufite ibibazo.
Hold on.
Uretse ariko.
You about that action? Just say the word.
Yo, we're good.
Bimeze neza mwana.
Everybody just calm down.
Mwese mutuze batangira kubishwaniramo do. Hey. Tangiye kubishwaniramo. Hebe.
Smart white boy.
Uri umuhanga wa muzungu.
Best get your bitch in line.
Iyi bitch ubutaha ugigumisha mu murongo.
What the fuck?
Umugabo ari kwita bitch ni igisazi.
Did you just say?
Heard what the fuck I said.
Byamvuze urabyumvisha wa bitch.
Yeah, fuck him.
Bareke mwana. Fuck him. Bareke. Bakwa. Abareba. Okay. Sawa mwana. Sawa tu.
You're right. It is one of those.
Navuga ukuri kuko mwana niko biri. Babarire. Fire! Dara urugamba kandi nanone. Mugaburi hano. Nta gatuza nashira. Ahita batamo. United amufasha babasoze vuba byibura. Ruwacitse. Riyarakurikira.
Hey.
We. Sunyisi bice. Uyamanda sari kumuniga.
Come on, you're gonna miss the best part.
Mwana buretse ari utanja bukari bwo shoye gitangira.
Yep, there you go.
Subon. Fire! Tamurangiza. Asana. Hey! Skigari we. Fata ibikapu by'imifungo yabo n'ibiki byose. Bacho. Tugende. Hakuno. Ciao. Ewe. Ciao.
I knew it. I fucking knew it.
Nari imbizi mwana. Nari imbizi.
Shit.
Skigari we.
Get out.
Jahasi mujahasi. Ibintu byazambye barongeye barashinune unamabandi bafitanye beef na polisi na beef n'amabandi. None uriya nambe na polisi.
Yo, be cool.
Mick. Nambe kugira na beef na polisi. Kugira na beef n'ibandi rigenzi ryawe. Bari navuga rito mukaritasa atazanamenyera n'ubutatazana neza naba naryo riza ari kubitira mu mavi. Nta mikino riba rifite. Hey. Gombe akuno traffic iparitse ruguru baparitse pfo. To. Bose baryamye ari traffic ari kugutera itara yahagera akabonamo ibigabo. Sinzi ariko. Sinzi. Polisi tayara mukubita itara. Ubw'amahirwe yakomeje ku ruhande. Komeje ibyi. Asana. Hey. Hebe. Komeje ibyi. Akuno. Boss.
I'll tell you this.
Sinzi uburyo nakubwiramo ibi. Umubwira ibiki?
The meat went ugly. Brill's gone.
Brill yaje boss.
What you mean gone?
Shatse kuvuga iki ngo yaje?
White boys executed him.
Babazungu bamwishe. Twese baturashe. Bantu bose. Nagari bose.
Not everyone.
Nagari bose.
Nasi, yo, wait.
Nasi. Buretse mwana. Reka ngusanure ibandi bishe muri umunani.
Can't hear nothing.
Nta kintu nshaka kumva.
How about now?
None se
Nah, still nothing.
ubu nta gisige nyine.
I don't get it.
Ntago mbyumva.
Because if I could hear you,
Nimba nkuko.
aberration.
A what?
Nawe wakabaye wapfuye ubundi kuki?
A fucking ghost, nigga.
A fucking ghost, nigga.
You'll be a motherfucking ghost.
Ubwo nimba ndi kukumva se n'umuzimu ndi kumva.
That's what you're gonna be when Stitches deliver you to me.
Kubera ko nicyo kintu ugiye guhinduka.
So I can feed you to the fucking alligator.
We ni nkubona ndakugaburira za fucking alligators, ndakugaburira ingona shawa mujinga we. Bitch ass nigga. Hakuno. Boss. Vuga ibisirenge by'amabandi.
Yes sir.
Byumvishije igiko. Hakuno boss ahita atuma umupampi. Satuma umupampi. Hakuno do. Aro bafashe uri kuri DH kukadani hiri. Hari irindi tabi nzisi. Nebe. Hakuno. To.
Look, man.
Reba mwana.
I'm telling you, I didn't want to help him.
Nyine ndikwabwira nanjye ndashaka.
Not one damn bit, but I didn't have no choice.
Ariko nta yandi mahitamo nari mfite
Put a
mwana.
fucking Glock to my head.
Bankize Glock ku mutwe. Glock n'ubwoko bwa pistol. Glock.
Yes, sir.
Yego.
So right on the side.
Nabibonye byanditse ku ruhande.
Had a shiny pearl handle grip even.
Yari ifite handi gishashagirana.
Did it have any engraving in it?
Koko abyitegereza.
On that Shiny pearl handle.
Nyine yo handle wayitegereje yari iri kurabagira. Yego. Nayitegereje.
Grim Reaper carved in on.
Nane yarameze nka Grim Reaper. Yarameze. Ni igishushanyo cya Grim Reaper kuri iyo mbunda. Koko.
That sound like something you lie about?
Icyo kintu ko numva utubeshe umunsi.
They put the gun in my mouth and pulled back the hammer.
Bakize imbunda mu kanwa barangije bakuramo hando.
They put it in your mouth.
Bayishize mu kanwa kaze koko.
I thought you said they put it to your head.
Kandi warutubwiye ngo bayigushyize ku mutwe n'abapolisi bari mu iperereza.
Look, he put it in my head and then in my mouth.
Yayikize ku mutwe arangije yikira mu kanwa.
All right, then the crazy some bitches start arguing about which one was
the Caritas bitangira gutongana. Byibaza ngo ninde ugiye gukura imbarutso sikigariwe. Bayigushize mu kanwa bayivana. Ndabarahirira imbere y'Imana. Mwakwizera ibintu ndi kuba. Oja. Waje pya.
No, I don't.
Ntago nje byizeye. Afande Frank.
Who are you?
Orinde. Frank Loss, special agent. Nuhagarira ikirego cy'amabanga.
The Pinocchio effect.
Wigeze wumva ingaruka za Pinocchio?
Hokey no effect.
Hokey no effect.
No.
Oja. Pinocchio.
You know, the cute wooden puppet that wished he was a real boy.
Igipupe cyiza gikoze mu giti. Cyifuje kuba cyakabaye kiri umwana w'umuhungu wa nyawe.
Time he told a lie,
buri gihe yabesha. Izuru rye rigakura.
I swear for God.
Mwana ngenda arihira imbere y'Imana. None se kubabeshya nabyungukiramo iki?
Edwin.
Kubona Edwin. Hari ikibazo mwise Edwin.
You see,
urabona?
The Pinocchio effect.
Pinocchio rero ingaruka zayo.
Is when someone's lying.
Ni cyaje umuntu yari kubeshya.
So they
ababizi kari kubeshya.
As hard as they can to
agakora cyane uko ashoboye.
That they ain't.
Kugira ngo akumvishe ko atari kubeshya.
So babbling and going on.
Agatangira kwishimasha mubona ibintu byamubangamiye. Agakomeza gusobanura ibintu agakabya. Akavuga ibirenze bikenewe.
You know, shit like.
Uzi n'ikindi.
You think I'd lie about something like that?
Ibintu byo kuvuga ngo ndahari ubwo mbabeshye se. Kurumva nabeshya ikintu nk'icyo ngicyo nuko abavuga.
What I'd have to gain lying to y'all.
Ngo nikize nakungukira mu kubabeshya.
What do you think I'm lying about?
Uratekereza ari igiki ndi kukubeshya rero? Byose. Everything.
For one, a box of polymer pistol.
Cyambere Glock pistol.
It's plastic.
Ikoze muri plastic kandi watubwiye ngo yari ifite handi ishashagirana y'icyuma.
Can't add grips to it.
Ntago wakongera ibintu ngo byandikeho bishushanyire.
Especially no pearl handled ones.
Noneho hando yayo.
And second,
cya kabiri.
It's a striker fire.
It's strike fire.
Hammerless.
Which means there's no hammer to pull back on.
Nta hamijira. It's hammerless. Ntagiriyo ndabyita ikinimba hama ni ikigenda kigakubita nk'isasu kugira ngo risoke kibyose. Hakuru.
What the fuck is wrong with you? You about to
have
stroke or something?
Urwaye stroke cyangwa iki?
I have neither the time nor the crayons to explain.
Nta gihe mfite cyo kugira ngo ngusobanurire ibi bintu cyangwa ngo amagome njye gushushanya hariya nandike kugira ngo ngusobanurire.
I'm gonna give it a go anyway.
Reka mbyore ku bundi n'ubundi.
What you're unaware of is
uzi ikintu utazi muri iyi mijyi.
Early this afternoon.
Mbere ya saa sita iki gitondo.
Those crazy some bitches.
Ziriya nyana zimbwa biriya bisazi.
That you supplied the intel and the boards to.
Watanze amakuru yabyo.
The North Hollywood shootout.
Byongeye birarasana muri North Hollywood y'amajyaruguru.
They murdered 6 officers and put another in critical condition.
Barasha ofisiye batandatu abandi babashyira muri kondisiyo nyine bararwaye bameze nabi.
Which makes you an accessory to at minimum.
Uzi ibyo bintu ikintu bigushyiraho.
6 counts of capital murder.
Nawe urajya mu kirego cy'abapolisi impfu hafi 6 z'abantu. Ranyu tutaduha amakuru dushaka.
Now you realizing the gravity of your situation.
Ubu noneho utangiye kumva uburemere bwa situation urimo. Reba mwana.
Had no fucking idea.
Mu gitekerezo nari mfite n'ukuri. Cyaba sinichinze.
They were supposed to go in on the prowl.
N'ukuri bagombaga kwinjiramo.
Breaking the night before.
Bagombaga kwinjiramo na kijoro ryabanje.
Look, I had no idea they were going to kill no one.
Sinari nzi ko nje bagiye kujya no kwica abantu.
I should have stayed in Louisiana and would really appreciate that explanation.
Ndakeka leta ya Louisiana yaza kwishimira ibyo bisobanuro ugiye gutanga. Umve hakuno. Hey. Sikigari we.
Yeah.
Yego.
Yeah, that's about right.
Cyane ibyo byo n'ukuri.
Look.
Reba mwana.
All right, look.
Reba nyine.
What can I do, all right? Tell me what can I do?
Basi mumbwira ikintu nakora.
Tell me about your customers.
Mbwira ibyabo bakiriya bawe.
These guys that put you in this hole.
Bagabo rero uri kwita abakiriya nibo bagusize muri uyu mwobo.
Gaheza. It's two white dudes.
bari abagabo babiri b'abazungu.
I think they might have been brothers.
Ndakeka bashobora kuba ari n'abavandimwe.
Come to that conclusion.
Ni iki cyatumye ufata umwanzuro ko ari abavandimwe?
Kept calling each other bro and shit.
Bakumaga bitana ngo ba bro brother.
Ram man, who do you know in the city don't call each other bro?
Wagikarita sose muri uyu mujyi n'indi utita undi ngo bro.
It was different than that, all right?
Byari birenze ibyo mwana.
I feel like they were brothers, all right? They
natekereje ko bari abavandimwe.
looked alike.
Kandi baranasaga. Okay?
This is good.
Ibyo ni sawa noneho.
Tell me more about these brothers.
Gambwira byinshi kuri abavandimwe rero.
The younger one was a smart.
Umuto muri bo niwe muhanga.
Okay, and
hanyuma
the older one was the main one.
Umukuru muri bo niwe munyungu.
The smarter one smart.
Shatse kuvuga ngo umuto niwe muhanga.
All about business.
Ni umuhanga mu buryo business zo.
Details, you know, very specific about the details.
Ashaka kumenya buri kantu kose very specific to the detail.
And the mean.
Hanyuma so umukuru w'umunyarugo.
He was bad news.
Shawe yari amakuru mabi. Yari inkuru mbi, yari incambo.
Some wild eyes.
Yari afite ibyiso bibaturumbura nka savimbi.
Type of guy that's looking for any excuse to hurt.
Ni wa mutipe.
Someone.
Ubushaka urwitwazo n'imbarutso kugira ngo abazo. Yarambwiye.
If I ratted on him, he'd find me.
Yarambwiye ngo nimusinicinga azampiga.
Twitching my own pile of shit. And he was very specific.
Kandi ibyo azankorera ni ibyamfura mbi. Kandi yabivugaga agamije pe.
Okay. I believe you. Keep
going. Komeza umbwire rero. Okay.
The small had a St. Jude penny.
Hanyuma uwo w'umuhanga rero uwo muto yari yambaye umudari wa St. Yuda mutagatifu Yuda.
On his neck.
Hey.
And
kindi.
The main one had a Marine Corps tattoo.
Yari afite mitatu y'aba marine basirikare ba marine.
We had writing on it.
Yari yanditse ijambo ngo nimba ari simplify.
What did the tattoo say?
Iyo tattoo yavugaga ngo iki nyine?
Said simplify something on bottom.
Sinababwiye icyo gitatu cyari cyanditse ibigambo ngo simplify n'ibindi bintu hasi.
Say what?
Ngo Sheridan ibiki ntazi.
Simplify on bottom.
No, the name.
Simplify hasi. Oya ibi.
Sheridan.
Ngo nimba ari Sheridan raid ibintu nk'ibyo
because of the tank, okay?
Ntago byibuka neza mwana. Yarabyumvishije iteyibeta. Numwe mu bapolisi bari hano. Bari kuri iki kirego bari kugikurikirana.
Look, I need you to drop everything and run 2 names for me.
Ndagira ngo mpereza amakuru yose ufite kuri ayo mazina abiri nkoherereje. Hakuno.
Hey. I understand how and why you built the boards, but how did you know about the Thursday deposits?
Mwana wari uzi gute se ku makuru wabahaye y'uburyo kuwa kane amafaranga yagombaga kuba ari menshi muri iriya bank?
You know that branch was temping as the headquarter branch.
Wari ubizi gute ko headquarter yari bifite amafaranga atari bu bari kuri za branch?
About no headquarter branch and
sinari mbizi mwana.
Thursday deposit.
Sinari nzi n'ibyo kuwa kane.
Okay, send me that right now.
Sabe inyoherereze nona. Inyoherereze nona. Kiraho.
This done?
Naba ngaba.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Nabo bakaritasi nabo. Amafoto barayabonye tayari. Amabandi yacu menye isosi igiye kugwamo inshishi. Hakuno dore umukuru, dore umutoyi.
What about me?
Hanyuma se njyewe.
Man, we good?
Michael Mick Sheridan and Jamie Jackson.
Mwana ibintu bimeze neza se cyangwa umwe bamwita Mick Sheridan. Ibyo bamwita Jamie Sheridan.
I'm making his younger brother years ago in Agasobanuye. They damn near killed the guy. The brother walked, but Mick got sent up to Angola for 7 years.
Bakoranye akazi muri Angola imyaka 7 ishize.
Marines from the sandbox.
Bahoze bari muri umwe ari muri Malinde muri groupe bitaga Sandbox.
Get a bulletin out to all of our agencies and get these photos.
Ibyo byandiko ayo mafoto muyohereze muri agence zacu zose.
ASAP.
Kandi no mwitangazamakuru.
We're back on the bank employees.
Not yet. I'll rattle Gene's.
Muri bari bakoraga muri bank ari amakuru muri ababona.
Follow up now.
Mukomeze muyanshakire follow up now. Hakuno. Hey. Kanu kukandi. Shambu kuri batambo. Batam. Genze bit. Mike byabaye. Ibici byabaye. Ibici byabaye. Kugera nabona uriya ni muzima kandi yarazwe
yapfuye.
Ibici ari kuvuga.
And Jimmy, why do you have all the money?
Kuki ufite amafaranga yose?
We had to move. We had to dump them.
Tugomba kugenda mwana.
You got me the idea who that was?
Hako ufite igitekerezo ngo uriya mugabo mwambuye amafaranga ye yarinde?
That was Real Wayne's.
Uriya ni Real Wayne. Uriya mupeti.
Nazi's brother.
Muvandimwe wa Nazi.
You're so dead.
Turaba fine. Okay, bimeze
so. We're better than fine.
Tumeze neza kurusha nyine kumera neza.
Buddy's shares has got a serious fucking bump. Where we at with the Hey, the passports, where we at?
What's the matter?
Kibazo ki?
You're not gonna be happy till we're all dead anyway, right?
Ubundi ntago uzishima twese tutarapfa hari. Si byari?
What?
Iki?
Look, I get it.
Reba mwana.
You've always wanted that warrior's death.
Teka ryose washakaga urupfu rw'umuntu w'intwari. Nshimwe nshimwe.
Afraid to die, bro. And no.
Je nago ntinya gupfa bro. Oya.
We all know.
Twese ibyo turabizi ko utabitinya.
If we do get out of this, we go our separate ways.
Nitubasha kuvana ngo tugende turagenda mu nzira zitandukanye mwana.
We're never gonna see each other again.
Je nawe ntituzigera twongera kubonana. Sibyo?
Bro, don't bro me.
Oya bro. Oya winyita bro, don't bro me.
Hey, you ain't thinking straight.
Ntabwo uri gutekereza neza. Orambwira ngo ducana umubano.
More clear in my whole life.
Sinigeze nkubwiza ukuri mu buzima bwawe.
I should have maybe stepped in because of you, Mick.
Umwanda wose nagiye nivangamo n'ukubera we Mick. Vandimwe we ni bro wiwe bavindimwe. Umve.
Who got you the money for Joe?
Nindagwaye amafaranga y'umwana wanyu John mwabagishije. Ninde atangiye kumucyurira nawe.
Who got you out of Helmand Province?
Ninde akuvanye mu cyaro se? Bitsari kunkubaza.
How many beans I took for you from our old man?
Mwana uribuka inkoni zose nagiye nkubitwa na muzehe wacu hejuru yawe. Urazibuka? Undi mu mwenda. Dimideni. Oya. Deni nkuri.
Tonight the debt's paid.
Hey, I'm your fucking brother.
Wa Mukaritas yo ndumuvandimwe wawe.
What that don't mean nothing to you?
Ibyo nta kintu bisobanuye kuri we kuba tuvindimwe. Kigorjiwe.
All right.
Ebe.
This about her, right?
Ibi ni ukubera umugore wawe. Umugore akugize imbwa bro.
Let that fucking bitch come between us.
Ntabwo nzatuma bitch tujya hagati. Yita umugore w'abandi bitch. Yita umugore bitch. Bisubiremo. Ongera se. Iki? Ibici. Kora menyo. Kigwaryiwe. Petit frere. Nagara frere nyuma yo kwiba igihugu batanje kubishwaniramo. Uretse vuna imbavu. Kura menyo. Hey. Kokanya. Whoa. Rababi injiranye bakipsinazo.
Baby, I was just about to call you.
Narije guhamagara fire. Gasan. Kumazindu imirisho.
Local men have been identified as shooters.
Abagabo babiri batuye muri aka gakaritsiye twamaze kumenya ko aribo barashe.
Is brutal bank robbery.
Ndetse ni nabo bakoze ubujura bwa bank bukabije.
Their names are Michael Sheridan.
Amazina yabo
41 years.
Michael Sheridan afite imyaka 41. N'umuvandimwe we James Sheridan 35.
On extensive rap sheets.
Bose bahoze rap sheets.
Both men are former United States.
Both men are former United States Marines. Bahoze ari abasirikare ba marine ba leta zunze ubumwe za Amerika.
Both Iraq.
Baje muri Iraq no muri Afghanistan.
The FBI robbery task force.
FBI robbery task force unity.
To be closing in on them.
Iri kuvuga ngo bageze hafi bahiga.
This evening.
Ubu turi kubaha aya makuru y'uyu mugoroba. Yari Ndahiro Valence Papiasi. Kigali.
So I just got off the line with Gene. Something did pop.
Mwana nari ndi kuvugana na Gene hari ibintu bihise biza rero.
One of those bank tellers, that pretty brunette, Ava Rashoto. She grew up in Irish.
Wigeze wibuka wa mukobwa akoraga kuri banke umwe ari ufite imisatsi imeze ukuntu ngo bita Ava Rashoto yakurikiye muri Irish.
Now she only had a couple of dings in her sealed juvie record.
Such as?
Nawe yahoze afite imico mibi itari hano bakwigaho na buri muntu wese bakamwigaho kuba umukobwa batangiye kwigaho n'umugore wande uriya musore.
Petty theft at 13.
Afite imyaka 13 yari ibye.
PI at 15.
15 byagenze
more. I told you Gene was digging. So he
nakubwiye ngo Gene ari gukora iperereza.
Bank accounts on all of them.
Rero yashatse banke zose zibanditseho.
She's got over 75 grand in
deposits. Ishize uriya mukobwa yakira ibihumbi 75 by'idolari mu byumweru bitatu bishize.
3 weeks after they pulled that job in Metairie.
So you follow the money.
Ayo mafaranga mwara yakurikiranye. Yose yari digital.
Something called Secret Angels.
Ngo yaturutse ahantu bita za Secret Angels. Ni za website utamenya nyine byaso.
Now all the money did go to pay the hospital bill.
Ayo mafaranga yose yise ajya kwishyura bill yo kwa muganga, facture yo kwa muganga.
And nothing else looks suspicious.
Ndumva ibyo byo nta kintu twabikeka.
Carrying her house and her car note, but
barakitwarira imodoka ye iwe mu rugo abayita ku bintu
matching up like that.
Bintu nk'ibyo ntago yigeze ahinduka kimara kubona ayo mafaranga.
Hey, Givens.
Ndumva atarugurirana gusa.
Work. You ain't heard or what? Narcotics on.
Ntago abyumvishije.
They got 6 bangers on the ground in Central City.
Man, muri Central City ngo tuwabonye imirambo 6 niyo tugiye.
How they figure?
Mu gatsiko ka Nasi.
Boy Brill's one of them.
Kandi gumwe muri abo ni murumuna wande wa Nasi. Bill.
Bodies ain't even cold yet.
Mwana n'imirambo ntagira akonja nibwo bakibarasa. Ngiye kureba wagwan. Tacho.
What's a Brill?
Really ni
the little brother to the biggest gangster in the world.
Niwe murumuna wibandi cyambere rirenza ndi yose muri iyi si.
Really? Yeah. Big enough gangster to wash 1.5 mil?
He'd definitely be on the list.
Where can we find this Nasi?
Uwo Nasi twamukura twamukura muri Club Magazine. Nyereka nyine nyereka hakuno. Hey! Ibandi baryiciye muri muna waryo. Usize ri nabafasha. Kumpe hakuno. Hamwe filme! Yata! Giriye! Shabai! Masasu! Bratse! To! Jimmy! Hakuno. Kureba kana kabona masasu! Afashe mu mbarutso.
Jamie
bakura amenyo! Akanguka. Hakuno.
Okay.
Muziritse. Bisi hariya nimba ari kiriya rene aryabyita kiriya rene. Meze neza Jimmy. Shushu bro.
Yo, you good?
Meze neza. Hakuno. Bose babafashe uko ari 3 n'umukobwa wa 4. Babakubise
so fucking sorry, bro.
Barire mwana bro bari bamaze no gukomana nabo. Bro,
I'm so fucking sorry.
Babarire mwana, so fucking sorry. Babari.
This bro, I got you.
Bindabifite bro, bindabifite.
You just ain't getting it, man.
Ndababwira ko yari njewe.
No matter what you say.
Suka ibintu biri bugende mwana. Icyo avuga cyose umwe bari bararashe mu gatuza.
Gonna kill us anyway.
Nubundi baratwica mwana. Wafite ni sasu uri muri musinzi nimba baranari handuye. Ayiwe. Ana marasa arakunika. Eva shushu be. Hey.
I'm so sorry.
Babarire mwana. Mugore we.
Sorry.
Ufite n'akana gatoya ka John. Kiraho. Hey. Bandi ryabafashe baryiciye muri muna waryo. Kandi ngo nibandi ridakina. Bitagira imipyinato. Burundi yaravuze ngo ne imipyinato, na mipyinato riba rifite. Hey.
Hey bro.
Bro.
It wasn't them, it was me.
Ntago bari bo babikoze ni njyewe.
It was all me.
Byose yari njyewe wabikoze.
Is that right?
Koko. Bandi rivayo. She muri muna waryo.
Hey, there's more money in this.
Harandi mafaranga arenze. Menshi cyane.
Oh yeah?
Koko.
Yeah.
Yego.
Just let her go.
Were ko mukobwa gende. Amafaranga nkayabgura umukobwa. Amafaranga shani mukageranya amafaranga n'ibyo by'ubugori.
Yeah.
Uyu.
Even trade.
Turabatunganyije.
Hey.
We.
Man. Hey.
We.
Even fucking trade, man.
Mwana reka tuciririka
Million cash.
Miliyoni cash. $1 ni nka miliyoni nka 800 za nako nanjye ngo miliyoni 800. Miliyari na miliyoni nka 100 z'amanyarwanda. Ubu niho bigeze. Kuko ejo bundi mperuka kuvunjisha $1 rimwe ryari riri kuvunja 1,110. Hey.
Oh, it ain't gonna happen.
Sha ibyo nago biri bube bro.
Just $1 million. No, it ain't.
Miliyoni $1. Oya.
Bill already told me what you lifted.
Kubera ko Bill yambwiye amafaranga mwibyo kwa ngana.
That's all you got right there.
Ayo niyo mufite hano.
Plus my boy Stitches over there.
Kono umugabo wanje uri hariya.
That motherfucker got something wicked for her, eh?
Hakuno. We.
Run, princess.
Buretse gikoma ngo makazi. Princess. Yare umugore we. Chebe cyamfa. Mwana motherfucker. Motherfucker nimba bivuze iki?
It was me. I dumped your little bitch ass brother.
Ninje wakomye kire gikaritasi ngo nikiri umuntu acatangira kurakaza bandi.
Oh yeah, you should.
Yego. Wari kumukumvisha boro. Anyinginga.
Whimpered, crying like
atatabaza.
A fucking bitch.
Arira nk'ibitch mwana.
5 in his mouth. Fucking bitch.
Rira nk'ibitch.
Until I jammed that 45 in his mouth.
Nibwo namushyize imbunda mu kanwa ifite mita 45.
Hey yo homie.
Sasu rya mita 40 mbonye 40
You know anything about the terminal effects of contact shots?
Usikino bajya bavuga ngo iyo urashe umuntu imbunda wayimukojeje uzi uko bigenda.
No.
Ya nabyose.
It's a big word.
Iryo ni ijambo rihambaye kuri wowe.
You see,
Rana?
With the terminal effects of contact shots,
iyo urashe umuntu imbunda wayimufatishije,
body absorbs all the discharge from the round.
Umubiri we wakira imbaraga zose zivuye muri round y'imbunda.
It's the fucking bullet.
Ntago riba rikiri isasu gusa.
And all those gases.
Na gaze ziturutse mu mbunda.
Confess.
Igisebe cyangwa igikomere umurashe muri iryo sasu cyaguka kiruka.
That's some savage ugly shit, bro.
Icyo kintu cy'umwanda cya mbere, bro. Ari kurakaza ikibi.
You gotta trust me on this one.
Sha kuri ibi ngibi nushobonize.
Brother, bro.
Muvandimwe wawe Briri.
That's gonna be a close casket.
Sha no kurereka mubwire. Cyara murakaje. Bandi ryarababaye sha. Seka nimbeka. No. Yarababaye.
Smell the vapors of hell on you, boy.
Uziko ntangiye kumva koko umuhumuro w'iryo sasu rituruka mu mbunda umwotsi ryaze.
You're not gonna play me.
Uri umuhanga ariko we ntiwankina pe.
I'm a savor the moment.
Genda umuntu utabara igihe nticyangire kubo. Ufite imipango nawe.
Take my time.
Fata igihe cyanjye.
Make it a few nights even.
Byibura umara amajoro make hano turabatunganyije. Nanjye nkubabaza. Hey.
See that container over there?
Uri kubona iriya container iri hariya?
No, y'all been wondering what that is all night, huh?
Ubwo ndabizi ijoro ryose mwari muri kwibaza ngo biriya ni ibiki birimo.
100 gallons of sulfuric acid.
Iriya ni ingunguru yuzuyemo acide sulfurique. Sulfuric acid ikintu cyose iguyeho kandi buri iratwika. Uyishyize no ku cyuma kira.
Soup in minutes.
Iriya acid ifata umugabo nyamugabo ikamurya ikamuhindura isosi mu kanya nk'ako guhumbya ikamumunga.
From my Mexican friends.
Ni inshuti yanjye y'umunyamexike wayimpaye.
They got it going on.
Kandi irakora ibyo aribyo byose baranayigerageje. Hey,
your stitches.
Stitches we.
This fool's a little demo right quick.
Akoreka bino bigoryi tubyereke mawonesho katubyereke demo y'ukuntu ibintu bigenda. Hakuno. To. Hey.
You know it's about to get real noisy in here. Real noisy.
Uraside nahigwira haka. Oya.
Wait.
Buretse. Chami.
Jamie, help me.
Chami, fasha mwana.
Hey.
Wait.
There's more money.
Dufite andi mafaranga.
Hey man, there's more fucking money, man.
Nara dufite andi mafaranga baza ku musore hano. Bayigusutse hira gutwika. Chami. Kumumena wa acide sulfurique irarya iramunga. Uko bakayimumenyeho dore ubwonko ukuntu bumanuka do. Gasa. Dore uburyo uruhu ruhinduka. Gasan. Do.
You motherfucker, I'm gonna fucking murder you!
Mwana ndakwica!
That's what I'm talking about.
Nanjye nibyo navugaga. Ubu nibwo Gashya itangiye.
Wish you murder me first.
Uraza kwifuza kuba wakabaye wanyishe mbere. Ni ukuri ibintu ukoze. Ibande.
So the jet tells me y'all are brothers.
Ariko bambwiye ngo muri abavandimwe.
You're the younger brother.
Ngo niwe mutoya da.
Am I wrong?
Ndibeshye. Bandi. Bandi arisutsa acide mu bwonko buhinduka gakoma. Hakuno. Rebe.
Hey, Stitches.
Stitches we. Ni umupampe afite umupampe dore isura.
Go ahead.
Stitches afite isura nimba yarabaye iki? Meze nk'iy'umusobanuzi nzi. Hakuno. Aza kudahinda si. Niki gira icyo ukora mwana. Oya. Yodashya Sida ubwo umukobwa arabizi ko tayari ari gukurikiye bagiye kumumena acide. Si ibise washakaga Upfa mwana.
Shut the fuck up.
Sibariko. Imeze sa mwana. Imeze sa shushu be. Baje ku mugabo we. To. Yarareba. Kigiye kumumena acide. Oja. Nabwira itimumunga tayari. Kitara! Yemumena! Uyaragikoma kimena! Kuri mweno! Kuyeta! Fatimuna! Faya! Basirika! Sirikare! Mabandi azara amasirikare! Faya! Dodo! Buratse wowe! Hakuno! Narabyigana! Gifata kadara na kirenza! Cyastwikiza gita muri acide! Cyafasha kadari yari yambaye mu ijosi karacika cyo muri acide ukanya nkako guhumbya bahise babajabuka abasirikare bosi dore boss yamubwiye turaza kwifuza kuba wanyishe kare amuza hejuru akeba kagiye wamugarura do ayo
talk about deja fucking vu.
Nyibivuga pe talk about deja vu. Deja fucking vu nyibivuga.
I tell you were gonna wish you killed me first.
Harya nigeze nkubwira ko wari kuwifuza ko uri bwifuze kuba wari wanyishe kare.
Don't you?
Ntabwo byifuza ubu. Fire! Tamwica. Hitamwica.
Come on.
Kira tugende mwana. Hakuno. Hey! Bacaho. Hakuno. Bacaho. Fire! Go! Let's say! Shaway! Sasu! Yebe! Hakuno. Basohotse hanze.
We gotta separate.
Tugiye guserebura mwana. Iki?
Take her and go.
Fata umukobwa mugende mwana. Genda.
Go.
Je mugende. Mwasigarana igikapu cye undi atwara icye n'umugore we bacaho. Ni abavandimwe. Hey! Unity zose twakiriye telefone ziduhamagara ku muhanda 49S Street 961 muri Mary Street. Abantu bahumvishe kurasana kwa automatic.
2 minutes away. Let's go.
Aho si kwana se mwana yirukanga hakuno. Hey! Aba nabo nibo bari kwerekeza. Ni Special Agent Ross. Frank Ross. To tashira ubudu. Imodoka zose zinaberereka. Hakuno kumba aba baracitse. Hey! Tandukanye na mukuru yacikanye n'umugore we. Hakuno. Bataraja kure police. Agasa. Irarebye. Shira imbunda hasi. Hano barakurasa.
You don't want to do this. Put it down. Don't be stupid.
Shira imbunda hasi ntubikigorye.
Now.
Nonaha. Shira imbunda hasi. Rebe.
Slowly.
Gutyo gace.
Good.
Sawa.
Now step back.
Gasubira inyuma.
Waistband. Pull up your shirt.
Reka ndebe ako kantu kenyereyeho.
Now put him on the ground.
Nako gashyire hasi. Gasani. Bunda zose barazimwambuye. Baramufasha. Yarazi kacitse. Birangiye. Kiye kurya amafaranga. Tayari. Karabaye. Haya.
Kick him to me.
Izo mbunda zinterere hano. Simuterera. Hakuno.
You back up till I say stop.
Weho mada subira inyuma paka nkubwiye ngo hagarara. Yasubira inyuma.
Back.
Subira inyuma.
Stop.
Hagarara aho ngaho.
You.
Wewe. Ku mavi yawe aho ubona.
To your knees.
Ku mavi wa mukaritasi. Hakuno. Gasani. Hey.
636 headquarters.
636 headquarters.
636, go ahead.
Yego tubwire turakumva.
I'm at the corner of
Mfite umugabo w'umuzungu duhuriye mu nguni ya Rore kuri 2nd Street. Kandi turakeka ko ari umwe mu barashe kuri Bolo Bank.
Blocks away. Come on, Nico, just get us there.
Yukanga mwana. Jojo tugira bataragira bakagira babahita bakandagira imodoka. Berekezayo.
Fraud for what you did today.
And ugiye kuguruka shaka kubera ibyo wakoze.
Reserve a front row.
Chawe kwakanya. Bretse watabaye. Grafurere yagarutse. Hey. Nabo bari batamu. Nakubwiye amabandaro organize n'abasirikare beza cyane. Tabacho. Hey.
Why'd you do that, bro?
Gukora iki bro? Kuki ukoze biri?
I love you, bro.
Kubera ko ndagukunda muvandi.
Look at me, Jamie.
Deba mwana, deba Jamie. Hakuno, yetacho. Abona polisi. Wasani. Polisi ko yakaje. Arabanza. Ayitama na yiyobye. Idakurikira petit frère wiwe. Tugende mwana. Hakuno. Polisi igiye gukurikira uriya. Aba ntibababonye. Bariya bahita bakwepa. Bahita bibeta ku ruhande. Wasani. Hakuno. Hey. Arabanza. Bashyiramo za vest, bulletproof vest. FBI. Federal Bureau of Investigation.
FBI 625.
FBI 25. turimo turahiga kurikira rebe hakuno komeza urugendo umugabo arimo arayobya polisi hakuno aba nabo baciye ku rundi ruhande bibese kugerimo yobya polisi yaramurebye igarafurere umusa twonse rimwe ndakwitangiye wecomoka nawe apakiye igikapu cy'amafaranga n'undi ahetse igikapu cy'amafaranga masasu sa nk'ari kwihamagarira polisi ngo zimukurikire polisi zose yaraziyobeje aba nabo barayoba ko bariya uriya yobya aba bakayoba polisi baraziyobye hakuno FBI bana baje kandi gahunda baba bafite abaru nta mikino hakuno do bico bita sasu cyane njo bico bita sasu polisi wa mbere hasi bandi shorira sarira bizi hakuno bandi rifite ikintu cyitwa igikoresho bisasu sasu byaravuze shawe sasu riravuga saa y'ijoro koranyemo na FBI na polisi bose bamanukiye rimwe bandi rikomeza inyuma rikatirikari ni Orleans niko kagiturimo sasu riravuga komeza mu nzu indani satazi nyirayo banabo barakurikira FBI Federal Bureau of Investigation komeza mu nzu indani sora komeza mu nzu indani ibandi shikanya amafaranga y'igihugu yarasha abapolisi kuva kare n'ubu mukanya tuvugana amaze kurasa abandi kuva byatangiye kuri bank muribuka namwe abantu amaze kurasa komeza ibikari mwana uko bakageze hano baramubura kujano baramubura kumba umwana umusaza araminutse barakurikira haya masaha y'igicuku masaha nimugoroba haya hakuno bikari hakuno tugende mwana nawe jambuka umuhanda yihuse do baramubona to the gate ku marembo mwana hakuno marembo minuka ibikari imbere kumubona nanjye mu ndagira ahantu bacuruza imbunda mbere ku tuntu nikore hakuno yinjira mwana indani sibi nibi cyokera mu nzu va mu nzira gisaza w'inzu yawe wowe cezereza ngayo komeza indani FBI stay down fuguma hasi uve mu nzira FBI kumbe yarakasa kasirikari hakuno FBI irakurikira faya fatamo amasasu mu gicuku kwekwe fatanamo masasu mu gicuku bico bita isasu umva isasu wowe bamutamo isasu riramwibukira mwana uri kumubona wapi wowe negative ntawe mbona bamutayemo nyagasani bamutayemo mbunda nini vana mu nzira fata intoyi faya fatamo fata pistoli kata inyuma araminuka ndamufite niko umeze neza hakuno barakurikira bebe show kasani bebe bikari katakuno mu ndabyo inyuma raminuka bikari kibyose herekare yiruka bandi rya herekare ryiruka police kazihemberwa FBI baba bagomba kugakora neza cyane ni imisoro yacu sorry ni imisoro y'abanyamerika hebe minutsi bikari hakuno hebe Gashya ni imbunda zamushiranye sa nkaho ni imbunda zanamushiranye Geza nagera aho u Rwanda ruherera Geza aho u Rwanda ruherera sinzi shora kuba ari hano hafi mwana twamurasha isasu ntago yaba agiye kure kata ibumoso hakuno tu hey baratana ngo barebe ko bamubona bakamutamo hakuno SWAT na FBI hamanutse cyakomeje kumuhiga mu masaha y'igicuku mu masaha y'ijoro to hey mwana hano mabonye amaraso baita baramufata hey baramufata bandi cyaramufasha mu agent wa FBI sinzi nimba hano atagiye kugwa undi mu agent to
bad move pal
genda mwana
back the fuck up
ciao hakuno
drop the fucking gun no I got
shira hasa mujigo hakuno
take the shot Mike take the shot
nasa Mike rasa mwana
Mikey you got a shot
Mike no rasa
you should take it
ubwo nawe ububisi kuri buraswe rero kumbe ku ruhande rwaciye ku ruhande rwaciye special agent Frank kindukira bamutaye muri mwe shaho aiwe bamukubisi isasu rimwe
Suspect down.
Uwo twakekaga ari hasi over. Suspect down. Baba kimukeka icyaha cyamuhamye. Cyamwamuhamije bari kure iyi filmu ndabizi mugiye kujajinga ngo cyamuhamye wowe uraburanisha.
Where's your brother?
Fandi bwawe ari he? Miki bamutayemo.
He's dead.
Yapfuye.
Fucking dead.
He's fucking dead. Yapfuye. Listen. Yarabesha tumuvandimwe wanje yapfuye. Kandi twe turabizi ko atapfuye byibura muvandimwe polisi irabiretse kumwiga na FBI abanze bahugire mu gushaka umurambo n'ibimenyetso by'uko yapfuye. Aba ofisiye bakeneye ambulance over mutuzane ambulance. Yunguyu. Sanka ho Mika tarenzaho. Bamutayemo. Bamushyize hasi. Igihe urugamba rwahereye finally birangiye amabandi bayashyize hasi. Gusa mwibuke yari utapfuye. Twe turabizi Jimmy ntago aricwa. Teruka ari kumwe n'umukobwa. Bari bakwebye. Bamutaye aho. Miki bamutayemo. Batinze. Tubaho ngaho igarukire muri Yutongo KBS. Gari ya moshi yagendaga. Bwabo bisi bugendera ku mihanda ya za Leili. Nimo Jami yicaye na madamu. Rebe. Jami na madamu bisa nkaho ariho bicaye. Haya. Bantu mushaka filime filime ziraboneka wandikira nimero 078 022 4403 cyangwa 078 21 29 503 zo ni WhatsApp aguha filime ninjye tuba twivuganira neza cyane 5 kuri 5 umbwirira umwana wacu Joan uburyo mukunda mu cyane
Every day.
uzajya umubwira buri munsi ndetse ngiye kumwitaho umugore we
love you so much. So fucking much.
Ndagukunda cyane cyane. Nawe ndagukunda cyane Jamie. Igihugu kibari inyuma dore ibintu barimo. Sikiwe. Uyu bana ubundi niyo bagombaga kurasa mbere mukuru bakamureka. Tangiye gusebya maniga. Hakuno. Hebe. Kise gutya. Shaho. Kise gutya chaho. Isigaye hano umugore wa chaho ibye. Ya. Cyama filimi karangira ariko to. Nyungumu wa mwazi giyemo ndabizi mukunda abapfu. Ubundi bapfuye. Kumbe FBI yaje kugera hehe? Kwa nasi kwa ryabandi ryirabura. Ko byose byatangiriye.
What you looking for? Somebody went in here.
Urimo kureba miki? Urimo kurebamo hari umuntu waguye.
Y'all teeth or something I can ID him by.
Debe nimba nabona nkamenyo cyangwa ikintu namumenyera. Mbere yuko ibi byose bishenguka bigashira.
Recognize this glob of shit.
Ariko iki kintu umenya nyibuka.
Tattooed at the bank.
Kinga ntago yari ari muri bank afite toto. Koko?
Absolutely.
John. Yunda mwibuka yari ari muri bank nawe.
So that only leaves the brother.
Sir.
Ibyo bivuze ko asigaye wa muvandimwe wande wa Mike wenyine. Kumbi twe turabizi yaminutse kure hano.
Take a look at this.
Sasa wa mudari Jamie yari yambaye kare. Mwibuka ari kurwana n'ikigabo cyafashe umudari uracika kigwa muri acide cyo ufite. Bawuvanye hano muri acide. Ibucene kubona boss.
Mean anything to you?
Hari icyo byabisobanuye kuri wowe?
I guess that means he wasn't lying.
Ndakeka bisobanuye kuri ya mugabo atabeshyaga Mike. Umuvandimwe yapfuye kuko bahise bakeka ko umuvandimwe yaguye muri acide. Kumbe umuvandimwe yaminutse n'ibiceri kare.
Silver.
Guta ko kabashije kurokoka. Iyi ni silver.
Noble metals don't react to sulfuric acid.
Nicyo cyuma kitajya kireactinga kuri sulfuric acid kuri acide sulfuric. Ntago acide sulfuric kirya. Hakuno. Bebe. Hakuno. Gatinze ibyo byarabaye. Kwereka nyuma y'iminsi yari isunitse, iminsi yaciyeho. Polisi irimo ishaka ibimenyetso n'ibiki byose. Rwaje hano. Special agent.
Good afternoon, Miss Rishoto.
Umugoroba mwiza Mrs. Rishoto.
Do you remember me?
Uranyibuka?
Special Agent Ross.
Hey, Special Agent Ross, yego.
Are you all right?
Meze neza?
Yeah.
Yego, meze neza. Meze neza.
Oh. I slipped on some water getting.
Ariko nanyere mu mazi ndi gukaraba nyine muri douche ni kubitasi. Oh, so sorry. Umbi naba muneka babizi ko mugabo we n'iki kandi umugore yakoraga nawe muri bank.
Mind if I come in?
Hari kibazo ninje mu.
You follow up questions.
N'utubazo duke cyane nshaka kukubaza.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, nari binjira tu nari. Debe. Hakuno. Baba gikusanya ibimenyetso. Nyuma y'iminsi. Hano basanze kana ka Joan. Mwibuke ngaka kana barana kabaze.
What a beautiful baby.
Bega umwana mwiza.
Hey.
Yeah.
So how is she doing?
Ameze ate so umwana w'umukobwa?
She had a surgery recently.
Numvishije ngo baherutse kumubaga.
Last spring. She's doing good.
Ni muri spring y'ubushize bameze neza nawe.
Say she's probably going to be fine.
Ndetse abaganga barambwiye ngo agiye kumera neza. Byiza. Umve.
Congenital heart disorder.
Yari afite ikibazo cy'umutima
I heard that surgery is very expensive.
Kubaga umwana nk'uwo biba bihenze. Si bihenze. Tangira kuzanamo kubiceri bya n'iki.
We were blessed. We
twari abanyamahirwe twabonye abadutera inkunga.
A lot of generous people came to our rescue.
Abantu benshi baje kudutabara.
But you already knew that, didn't you, special agent?
Ariko ibyo wari usanzwe ubizi, special agent ntabyo wari uzi.
We were blessed.
Uravuze ngo twari abanyamugisha, sikuvuze we were blessed.
Yeah, that's right.
My baby. Jemmy umwana wanjye. Yarategereje kavugamo ngo Jemmy.
Generous.
Byari byiza.
Donors, they're all anonymous.
Ababahaye si yo nkunga urabazi.
Yeah, that's how it works.
Yeah, nuko bikora.
People can really surprise you.
Akenshi abantu baragutungura. Na ba papa bose.
He's gone.
Ise ntawe ugihari yaragiye. Babarire.
Don't be.
Winsabe imbabazi.
Some things aren't meant to be.
Hari ibintu biba bigomba bundi kuba ariko bigomba kugenda nyine.
You know,
se n'ikindi.
I have a little girl too.
Naye mfite umwana w'umukobwa. To.
Not too little anymore.
Ariko we nagakiri muto cyane tu. Yarebye.
It's beautiful.
Ni mwiza cyane.
Yeah, I think so too.
Nanjye niko mbitekereza.
She has a sadness in her eyes.
None so umwana ko mbona kababaro mu maso he.
You see it too.
Nawe uri kubibona? Mugabo.
Yeah, that's on me.
Ibyo ni njye biteye tu ni ibya.
No, her mother and I.
Nyine nje na nyina.
Were just a really bad match.
Ntago twari duhuje pe.
That caused my daughter a lot of pain.
Kandi kuba tutari duhuje nibyo byatumye umwana agira agahinda muri we.
All I can do now is hope that it doesn't scar her too badly.
Ubico nakora akanya no kugira ngo adakomeza kubabara cyane.
Can I give you a piece of advice?
Ese mugabo nkugira inama.
You seem like a smart man. A good man even.
Ndabona uri umuhanga, uri n'umugabo
mwiza. There's something you ain't figured out yet.
Usari ibintu utaramenya mu buzima.
Really?
Koko?
Yeah.
Yego.
My daddy, he spent a lifetime letting me down.
Data amaze ubuzima bwe bwose antererana.
Matter, cause he's still my daddy.
Ariko sinari mbyitewe kuko nubundi yari papa. Cyaba cyose.
Every little girl needs one.
Kandi buri mukobwa wese abakeneye papa.
Oh, it is. Yeah, it may take us a while to figure that out, but
wenda bishobora kudufata byinshi kugira ngo ibyo bintu tubimenye. Ariko twese abakobwa dukeneye abapapa bacu. Rero akazi ke karoroshye.
Do what you can to own your shit.
Genda ukora ibyo ushoboye mu bintu byawe nyine tu.
Just wait for.
Wowe ukora ibyawe utegereze igihe umwana azishimira cyangwa akagukunda. Ntegereze.
Yeah.
Yego.
Wait.
Yego. Nibyo gusa genda utegereze. Ntuzigere uva ku bintu. Hanyuma.
Is that what your father did?
Ibyo nibyo papa wawe yakoze?
No.
Oya.
He didn't.
Ntago yigeze abikora papa. Ntago yigeze antegereza.
You said that the only option you had was to just hope your little girl would be okay.
Harya wambwiye ngo amahitamo yonyine wumva gusigaranye uburyo bwonyine ni ukwicara ugategereza ngo umukobwa wawe ngo iminsi nishira azagenda amera neza wawe. Nje suko mbibona rero. Suko pe.
Choose to leave your ex where she should be in the past.
Wewe wahisemo gusiga ex wawe ngaheba abeho ahashize ubuzima bwawe.
Start over with your daughter.
Wiyibagize nyine uwo ex wawe utangire bundi bushya n'umukobwa wawe afande. Hey. Kuraba namunereye babyita ku bunyo. Zinikindi.
That's really excellent advice.
Inama ungiriye ni inyamibwa. Kiri inama y'inyamibwa pe. Mugabo hakuno.
It's been lovely chatting with you, Special Agent Ross.
Agent we, byari byiza kuganira nawe.
I hope you have a better day.
Nizere ko uzagira umunsi mwiza. Sibyo?
Good luck, Mrs. Risotto.
Mahirwe n'imigisha Miss Risotto we. Umva nginage.
Thank you.
Nawe wakoze. Hakuno. Bazi ngo umugabo w'uyu mugore yaguye muri acide bwahe. Ku mugabo yaminutse n'ibiceri yimereye neza. Hakuno. Ya ntabapfira gushira.
How'd that go?
Bigenze bite?
It went.
Biciye.
And what about her?
Hanyuma suriya mugore.
Bad guys are dead.
Abantu babi barapfuye.
All the money's recovered.
Amafaranga yose twaragaruye byararanje mwana.
Yeah, we could charge her. Absolutely ruin her.
Twamurega tukamwangiriza.
Probably get put in the system.
Ariko umukobwa wese urumva ubuzima twatumushyizemo. Tumuhereze mwana. Tumuhereze uriya mugore nimba tunamukeka tumuhereze.
I'll be in the car.
Ndaba ngutegereje mu modoka boss. Telefone yarasonnye mwibuka afite umwana watajya yitaba. Afite umwana w'umukobwa atajya yitaba. Kuri inshuro yari itanze. Ko yakwitabye tuvuye aho twigarukire hehe. twigarukire hakuno kure aho u Rwanda ruherera do hari ikiyaga gihari. Kumbe kuri icyo kiyaga kinini, ku kiyaga umugabo uri hano. Kumbe Jami nyuma yo gucika n'uduceri duke yacikanye yiyiziye hano, yiyiziye hakuno. Bebe kumbe we n'umugore we baje kugahuriza ku kirwa. Iminsi yari isunitse, we n'umugore n'umwana baje kugahuriza ku kirwa, baje kugahuriza ku kirwa to. Haya baje kugahuriza ku kirwa. Bimeze bite mwana?
It's a beautiful day.
Uyu munsi ni umunsi mwiza. It's a beautiful day. Hakuno cyiza nuko filime yari irangiye. Cyiza nuko filime yari irangiye. Ebe hakuno kana nako nyuma yo kukabaga kaje gukira. Hari umuntu mfite nshaka ko muhura mwana. Wina ariko bisa nkaho umugore yari amusanze ku kirwa. Amambaya cyo byagaciye. Hakuno ebe cyo byarabaye. Hakuno urebe kana nako hano famiye ku kirwa yari ibayeho yishimye. Ibyo byararangiye, urugamba rwararangiye, ibiceri nyine ababirya barabiriye, abapfa barapfuye. Mpamya ko na filime yacu ari uko igenze. Bahitaga The Channel, je banyitaga Gaheza, banyita Simba, sibyo? Tubonane muzikurikiye, kambanze nsige mu tuntu tw'udupublicité ho gatoya, noneho nze dukomeza n'izikurikiye. Ciao bye bye.